Hi, I'm Jeremy, and I teach the class Integrating Music into Multimedia, and this is our Neo Arcade. Typically we would do a traditional concert, but we're not doing that now. We're doing an arcade. We focused on music-centered video games and some installation type works. And so we're presenting it kind of here as an arcade, a fair, or however you want to do it. So you can walk around and enjoy playing the game as long as you want.
This is my project. We titled it Harmonic Spheres, and the premise of it is it's a two-player instrument-based game where player one plays a steel drum. It's made out of a propane cylinder. A microphone picks up the notes that are played on it and uses an algorithm to generate the four most harmonizing chords that work for those notes. And I mapped those, like the chords that are available on the top of the drum, with the color wheel and circle of fifths, so that I can project those chords as colors up on the screen. And then using a little visual puck for vision tracking, you can move a little cursor over the different quadrants of the screen, and it will play the harmonies that correspond to the chord color.
Alright, so this game right here is called GTA Beats. Right now we're looking at the sequencer, and what it is just like in a DAW, you can make your own beats, make your own rhythms, and it records it in real time.